Yo, is that Big Webster right there commenting on my thing? Like, oh my god, this Kingston, like, Kingston, bitch, I love that fucking song. Kingston, like, what the fuck? I love it. Kingston 517. Is that like her address? I can't wait to visit her. She literally is telling me her address right now, guys. Let's watch this fucking video of this Kingston girly, Faye Webster. Wait guys, listen, this video is called the videos I have saved to on my phone without context. This is 4 years ago. So cool, Faye Webster. Oh my god, I love Faye Webster music. Hi, horrors. Thanks for watching. You're so welcome, Faye Webster. Like, Faye Webster. Oh my god, is that Rainy?
I cry.
Bitch, I thought we was gonna steal a bus. Did she really got the bus and whipping the piss out of me? Whipping the piss, you know.
Do you wanna like say it a little louder? Stupid faggots. Queen, oh my wig, oh my gosh.
Yo, that's crazy.
Queen, oh my wig,
Hey.
oh my gosh. Come on outside.
Come on
Oh
outside.
my gosh.
What? That does not help.
Come on outside.
Queen.
You wanna like say it a little louder? Stupid faggots. Queen, oh my wig.
Queen.
Come on outside.
Faye, are you a man or why are you using that meme in there?
Could you imagine? Period.
Sit your fucking ass down now and eat my pussy.
My pussy. And eat my pussy.
Hey, Jester, you have done it again. Constantly raising the bar for the circus and doing it foolishly. I'd say I'm surprised, but I know who you are. I've seen it up close and personal.
Ma non vorrai farmi prendere dalle spirali, la salmonellosi.
I can't do this.